So we got some goodies for the boat for winterizing. We got some new gear lube, we got some fogging oil, we have antifreeze, we have a new cover. We'll see how that works. And then we got to go to the store and get some fuel treatment. I was going to drain all the fuel, but I think the fuel treatment's the way to go. Try to keep some of the water out of the fuel. So let's get started. So here's what we got for antifreeze. We have the just the West Marine 4-engine and water system winterization. They sell these little bucket deals, just gravity fed at West Marine as well. So it's just hooked up to the suction cup or the earmuffs on the outboard. And so once we get the motor started, I'll put that up on the back of the boat, and we'll let it gravity feed through there really quick. I'll have to go fast because they only about one. And then at the same time, you're feeding the fogging spray through the carburetors, and then start spraying and spraying until the motor dies. And so at that point, the motor should be full of antifreeze, and it'll be fogged. So we should be good to go. So let's see how easy that is. cured and ready for a cover, hopefully. I think this should withstand at least a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain. So we'll see how it goes. Throw the cover on now and see how it looks. It's all wrapped up. Pretty easy winterization overall. I decided to drain the fuel instead of treating it. Just seemed like the easier route. There wasn't much fuel in the tank. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and thanks again.